Good morning, everyone. Hello, welcome to today's video. I'm vlogging today. It is Saturday. I love a good Saturday. I was also kind of off work yesterday. I took off work because my anxiety was just really bad and I could not deal with it at the moment, and also because I got my new iPhone 14 Pro Max. I'm not going to show it too much because I do have a unboxing video coming. I want to say tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm going to post it tomorrow or make it my Monday video. I'm not sure. I posted it on Instagram to see what people thought, and I think most people are saying to still make it the Monday video. It's only like one vote difference. But I did ask people if I should do just an actual YouTube video or if I should just do a shorts video, and everybody said a YouTube video. So that's what I did. I literally forgot what I was just talking about because I started getting on my phone and then I got like sucked into like other things. So like I stopped recording, turned off my camera because I was like, I'm just sitting here not doing anything, not recording, and my camera is just losing battery. Anyways, I forgot what I was saying. Today is gonna be a very nice day. It is, I love a good Saturday. I am having D&D again tonight. I'm so excited about it. Our group is doing it every other week. We'll play today and then we won't play next Saturday, but then the next Saturday we will play. We're really enjoying it. It's gonna be our second session. I'm not gonna talk too much about it because I know many people don't care. I'm having a great time. Also, another thing that I'm having a great time with is this. I wanted to show this last vlog, but I couldn't because I didn't have my video uploaded yet, like my actual unboxing video. But I have been so obsessed with my LV planner. I've got so many new things in here that I didn't have when I actually unboxed the planner. Like I even have like a cute little insert, and then I know these right here are kind of mismatched because I have these inserts for the rest of the year, and then it starts going like January, February. Whenever the new year comes around, it'll actually look correct because I'll make everything in order. But I'm really liking this. I love it so much. It is just such a joy to use, and I love having like planner mornings to where like every morning I just kind of sit down and write in my planner. I've been using this as a journal as well, and it's really helping. Let me just say right now, writing down your feelings and writing down your problems is really helping me. It makes me feel better. Like, man, even like 3 weeks ago, I was just so depressed, and I use that word lightly because I know that there are people out there that struggle with serious depression. I was just it's just lack of a better word, really. I was just so upset all the time. I mean, I do have crippling anxiety. I do have like anxiety disorder and stuff, but it was just so bad to where like nothing made me happy. I wanted to do things, but I was just very upset with like a certain couple of aspects of my life that I wish were going different, but they're not. But then like writing down about it and like getting back into my routine that I was in like a year ago or so. I don't know. I'm trying to be more happy, and I'm just trying to be more here in the moment. Like I'm trying to force something to happen that may not happen at YouTube. I'm talking about YouTube. Let's just be honest here. I want to do YouTube more than anything right now, but I've been doing YouTube for almost 10 years now, and now mind you, I have, kind of flopped around topics. Like I started off as like a gaming channel, like a gaming news channel, and then I went into a full-on gaming channel, which did not work at all. And then I started doing makeup. As you know, if you've been with me for a long time, I was a makeup channel for a very long time, but that didn't really go anywhere. And then I was a vlogging channel for a bit because I went to Italy, and then I just decided to stick with the vlogs when I got home. And now I'm doing like luxury fashion and luxury in general, handbags, and also some vlogging. So like I definitely have flopped around categories a lot, but I don't know. I want to do YouTube so badly. Like I want it to be my job very bad. Like the job that I have right now Our supervisor is just the worst person on the planet, and I really don't like her, and it's making my job in general just hard. I really want to be able to make YouTube my full-time career, and like sometimes I do get salty because like I have been doing this for a long time, and then I see, you know, newer people only doing it for like 3-4 years, and they, you know, get a ton of subs and everything, and I'm you know, just kind of stuck over here. And I don't mean that in a bad way. I really don't. Like, I don't mean it to be like, oh, poor me, because I know that I have so many amazing things in my life, whereas other people, even people that are more successful than me on YouTube, may be yearning for in their life, but I have that. Like, I know that I have true love, and I know a lot of people search for that as well. So I am somebody that did get blessed with true love. I'm trying to go back and just be like genuinely positive and like grateful for the things that I have, and not trying to force something that may not happen for me. I mean, I don't really know. YouTube just may not be in the cards for me. I might just be doing it just, you know, I do it for fun. I mean, it is really fun, but I can't sit here and say that I don't do it in hopes that it ends up being my job, because that would just be a lie. I do it because it's fun, but I also do it because I do want it to be a job. I want it to be my, you know, career. And sometimes it gets a little disheartening when things that I work really hard on or that I hope do well end up not doing well. But then the things that I don't work hard on and that I just kind of post as like a smaller video or something, or as like a easy video, those are the ones that end up doing well. I have a very good life, you know, all things considered. And I'm just going back. I know that I keep talking about it, but I'm just going back to being grateful as to with what I have and where I am. That's pretty much it. That was very deep for a Saturday morning. Anyways, I've just, long story short, I've been really enjoying my LV planner, and it's really just been helping me kind of just get my feelings out and stuff. I will do like a full-on flip through of this maybe at the beginning of 2021, because we're still in 2021. In the beginning of 2023, I didn't think that doing a planner flip right now would make much sense. So I'll probably do one at the beginning of the year. Tell me what you think. Would you like to see a planner setup? Let me know. I got some extra pins. The pin that I've been using in this planner is by Muji, and I am obsessed with this pin. It's the 3.8 millimeter. It's like super thin tipped. And I got the 0.5 millimeter at first, but then I saw that they came out, or I saw that they had a 0.38, so then I ordered that one as well. And when I first tried the 0.38, I was like, no, I don't like it, but now I like it. So I sent the 0.5 ones back. Anyways, I'm not doing anything else in particular today. Like, there's no grooming appointments. There's no actual appointments that I need to go to. I might see if I can get Raph to go to Target, but that's really about it, just because I like Target. Yeah, I will check back in whenever something else interesting happens, but as of right now, I think I'm gonna take a little bit of time and write in my journal and just kind of plan things out for the day and just kind of, I don't know, relax. So yeah, I'll talk to you when something else fun happens. Hi, we're back in the car now. We went to Panera Bread for the first time in like forever. I haven't been there in, my God, I can't tell you how long. It's been many years. So we went to Panera Bread. I got a chicken sandwich. It was pretty good, kind of bland. Maybe next time I'll get the spicy chicken sandwich. And then I got some mac and cheese. The mac and cheese is great. I always like Panera Bread mac and cheese for when I've had it before. So that was nice. And then now we're going to Dunkin' Donuts because the other day, it was kind of funny. I came to Dunkin' Donuts to get 2 orders of avocado toast, and they ended up giving me like the grilled cheese pesto sandwich. So it wasn't correct, but Raph said that it was a happy accident because he ended up loving that grilled, that sandwich from Dunkin' Donuts. So we're here now, gonna get the sandwich. But yeah, I will let you know whenever we get home, and yeah, that's it for now. I made cookies for D&D. I just had one, Raph had one, and I want to show you my outfit. Very simple. Aritzia, just like shirt. I'm afraid I'm gonna get something on this. Aritzia t-shirt, Veronica Beard jeans, brown leather belt, not leather, I got it from Amazon. And then I've got on my New Force, New Balance X Kiss sneakers. And that's the fit for today. Good morning, everyone. It is now Sunday. Please don't mind the way my hair looks. I don't know why I'm yelling. I got like really excited. I forgot my mic was plugged in. I don't need to yell. Good morning. Hi. My hair looks insane. I look like Shirley Temple, but I just washed my hair and I wanted to use my thinner curling wands thingy. And it's the long barrels as well. So I actually really like the way that it turned out. It doesn't look too like mushroomy. One thing I can't stand is when it's flat here and then it like goes out starting at like the middle of my head. It looks like a mushroom. I don't like that. This looks like a tiny bit mushroomy. I do look like a little bit like Joyce from Stranger Things, but I don't think it's too bad and it will fall beautifully. I just finished like 3 seconds ago, so that's why it looks so crazy. But it's gonna fall really beautifully, like into these like very nice soft curls. Yeah, today I am just gonna hang out. I think that me and Raph might go to Target. I want to, let me just sit down. I want to try to make that French toast again because I got the right kind of bread. I got brioche bread the other day at the store, but I still forgot to get cinnamon. So I asked Raph, I said, hey, do you feel like a sweet breakfast today? Because I could just run out to Target really quick and just grab some cinnamon and then come back and when I'll try the French toast again. He said yes, but I wasn't entirely sure if he meant it because he sounded like he was still half asleep when he said it. And then I also wrote down a couple of things that I need to do today. I have some things to take to UPS today that people bought. We listed the Animal Crossing Switch that we weren't using on eBay. It got sold pretty quickly. And then I bought Metroid Dread for Raph, and he didn't end up loving the game, so we tried to take it back to Best Buy, but they wouldn't take it back because we opened it, which is fine. And so we just put it on eBay. So someone bought it from eBay. And then I did also put my espresso machine, like my Breville espresso machine on for sale as well on eBay. I'll link it down in the description, but this one right here, it comes with everything. Well, I actually think there's like 1 or 2 things that are missing, but it's only like the filter and I even have like some other cleaning tablets and stuff that I got from Amazon. It does come with most of everything. It comes with all the like internals and accessories. But there are just a couple of things that are missing. I don't have the original box anymore. I don't know what happened to it. I guess I threw it away. But yeah, I'll have that linked in the description if you're interested in a espresso machine. It's the Breville Barista Express espresso machine, and it's in the color black, and it works very, very well. I've had it just sitting over there to get rid of or to sell or do something with since we got the DeLonghi one. I'm gonna go for now. I will talk back with you if we go to Target or whatever we end up doing, but for now I think I'm just gonna watch some YouTube and just chill, really. But it's a little bit later. I got a Hue bridge. I ordered one of these the other day to connect it finally, and since I got my new phone, I wasn't able to connect my lights in the bedroom anymore. Look at these. Oh my goodness. One honey. Here's one honey. Here's the other honey. And there's the third honey. Oh my goodness. So I've got my lights back on here. And I was trying to see if maybe I could order some more because I need the ones in the office area. Because I got some like off-brand Philips Hue lights for in here, in here, and in that lamp over there, but they're really expensive. So I'm trying to see if maybe I could get a couple of extra ones or what I should do. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know what I should do about it. But now we are going to play a little bit of Civilization. So that's really fun. And then I think that's gonna be all for now. I also got a, where's my phone? A MagSafe charger because I've never used the MagSafe thing before on the phone. So yeah, like I got like a little standing charger like this, and I think it looks really nice. So maybe I'll kind of have this on my desk, or maybe I'll have it on the side table when I go to sleep. I'm not entirely sure. I haven't decided yet. But for now, that's pretty much it, and I'll let you know when something else interesting happens. Good morning, everyone. It is now Monday. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. For Sunday, I didn't vlog too much in general. I was just doing a really bad job at vlogging yesterday. But for breakfast, me and Raph we tried to go to IHOP, but they had like an hour wait. We tried Cracker Barrel, but they also had like an hour wait. And then we were just like, screw it. And I went to a McDonald's, but at the time we got there, they weren't serving breakfast anymore. So I just got a spicy chicken sandwich. And then Raph went to this new place that's next to us and got a everything bagel sandwich, and he said that he loved that. I got a new thing from Taco Bell. I know, a lot of fast food, but this thing from Taco Bell was considered healthy, I guess, and it's like a black bean crunch wrap supreme. So it's got black beans, lettuce, tomato, sour cream, like low fat sour cream. I don't know, but it was really good. And then Raph got Jersey Mike's. Yeah, I did a really bad job of vlogging Sunday. But yeah, today is Monday, and I hope that you guys really enjoyed this vlog. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!